Rivulis is a micro-irrigation solutions provider, helping growers grow beyond their expectations season after season. Founded over 50 years ago, we are dedicated to making micro-irrigation accessible, cultivating sustainable partnerships, and developing field-trusted innovation. We are proud to be industry pioneers, helping growers grow beyond to higher yields, higher quality, and greater profitability, while safeguarding the sustainability of grower land and livelihood. With the industry's most comprehensive product portfolio and with our design-to-harvest services, Rivulis supports growers in implementing the right solution to meet their unique field and crop needs. We serve all crop applications, including greenhouses, orchards, row crops, vegetables, and vineyards. Post-installation, we provide hands-on training, in-field support, and recycling of drip lines and seasonal tapes via our Full Circle Sustainability Program. We offer all thin-wall drip line technologies, from integrated to inserted molded emitters, including the industry bestsellers, the Rivulis T-Tape and the EuroDrip Compact. We also have the widest range of pressure-compensated products, including the trusted D5000 PC and the SuperTIF PC PCND, the best-selling online dripper. With 2,000 employees, Rivulis operates 16 factories, 3 R&D centers, and 5 design centers globally. Being global and close to the market is of great importance. We are committed to operational excellence, providing our 3,300 business partners, our wholesale, retail, and dealer network with high availability, on-time delivery, and logistical flexibility. With 3 R&D centers, we are committed to providing growers with field-trusted innovation. Recent innovations include T-Tape Veggie, a single-season tape designed for easy retrieval and installation. H6000, a new standard in PE lay flat with pre-installed outlets to increase durability and ease of installation. Manna Irrigation Intelligence, our sensor-free, irrigation-focused precision agriculture offering. Manna provides growers with real-time irrigation recommendations. Finally, we are proud of our culture of honesty and fairness, and our reputation as a partner committed to mutually beneficial and built-to-last relationships with our business partners and growers. As a result, our partners are able to serve growers season after season with best-in-class irrigation solutions.